Sabi mo na, Bray.
Shake natin ngayon, si Jerome. With Tita. So, next challenger would be Ate Windy. Ang pangalan mo, ha? Ayan, yun ka daw, sabi ni Tita.
Tita, remember Tita.
Tita ba o Mami?
Tita.
Ay, hindi halata eh, di ba? Parang dalaga lang. Alright, Windy. Happy birthday, Braid. Ready? Get set, go. Happy birthday, Braid. 11 counts lang si Winning, sayang. But anyway, thank you for joining.
Sigama
Hindi pa rin
Mangay.
natin si Jerome. Next challenger po tayo. Ayan, Marimari ko ba yan? Ilang flower mo ah? Ayan, anong pangalan? Eya. Ilang taon? 8. 8, okay. Galingan natin Eya ah. Ready, happy birthday, break, go. Birthday, break. Ay, sayang, malapit na eh. Anyway, sana